Christmas dinner looked a bit different for Drew and I this year, but our dinner was delicious. So I wanted to describe for you how we made it in case you'd like to make it at home. So we had smoked salmon capers on a baguette with a side salad of triple berry salad. It was so good. Triple berry salad is by far one of our most favorite salads, and you can find that on our website, trueformlife.com. But let me describe for you the smoked salmon baguette we had. So we bought a baguette at a local bakery, nice and fresh, actually on Christmas Day, if you can believe it. Sliced that up, and on the little slices of baguette, we spread some chive cream cheese. Now we use a plant-based cream cheese. It's actually made of almonds, and it is a Kite Hill is the brand, and it is delicious. It's almond milk cream cheese, if you can believe it. Then on top of that, we put a small piece of smoked salmon, and then we fried some onions up, caramelized some onions with some maple syrup, and then we put those on top of the salmon, smoked salmon, and then we sprinkled on some capers. And now Drew is obsessed with capers. He puts these on everything. And if you're not familiar with capers, it's actually a plant. It's a bud. And they're pickled, and they're delicious. So that was our Christmas dinner. It was delicious. So good. We were so happy we had leftovers for Boxing Day lunch. If you get a chance, try it out.